Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the heart of the United States, Washington, D.C. Whether you're planning a visit or just curious about this historic city, we've got you covered. Historical background. Washington, D.C., founded on July 16, 1790, is not only the capital of the United States, also a city rich in history and culture. Named after George Washington, the nation's first president, the city was designed by French engineer Pierre-Charles L'Enfant. His vision included grand avenues, open spaces, and impressive monuments, many of which you can still see today. The National Mall. No visit to Washington, D.C. is complete without a stroll along the National Mall. This iconic stretch of land is home to some of the most famous landmarks in the country. Starting at the Lincoln Memorial on the West End, you can pay tribute to the 16th President of the United States. This majestic structure, with its towering columns and large seated sculpture of Abraham Lincoln, is a must-see. Heading east, you'll come across the Reflecting Pool, a serene body of water that beautifully mirrors the Washington Monument. Standing at 555 feet, the Washington Monument is the world's tallest obelisk and a tribute to George Washington's leadership. Continue further east, and you'll find the U.S. Capitol Building, the seat of the United States Congress. This iconic building, with its striking dome, has been the home of the legislative branch of the U.S. government for over 2 centuries. Museums and galleries. Washington, D.C. is also home to an impressive array of museums and galleries, many of which are part of the Smithsonian Institution. And the best part? Most of them are free to enter. The National Museum of American History houses countless artifacts that tell the story of the nation's past. Here, you can see everything from the original Star-Spangled Banner to the First Lady's inaugural gowns. Art lovers will adore the National Gallery of Art. There's a vast collection of paintings, sculptures, and photographs from artists around the world. Don't miss the chance to see works by Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, and Jackson Pollock. And for those fascinated by space and aviation, the National Air and Space Museum is a must-visit. Here, you can explore exhibits that showcase the history of flight, including the Wright brothers plane and the Apollo 11 command module. Cultural and culinary scene. Beyond its monuments and museums, Washington, D.C. boasts a vibrant cultural and culinary scene. The city's neighborhoods are a melting pot of cultures, each offering unique experiences. Georgetown. With its cobblestone streets and historic architecture, is perfect for a leisurely afternoon. Enjoy a cup of coffee by the waterfront or explore the high-end boutiques and charming shops. If you're a foodie, D.C. won't disappoint. The city's dining scene is diverse, offering everything from Michelin-starred restaurants to food trucks serving international cuisine. Be sure to try the famous D.C. half-smoke at Ben's Chili Bowl. Washington, D.C. is a city that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, art enthusiast, or food lover, you'll find endless things to see and do here. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and that it inspires you to explore DC for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.